Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel again, and if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Adedoyin and I create natural hair content. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I achieved this gorgeous natural hairstyle on my head right now, because looking at it, isn't this so gorgeous and beautiful? I mean, this thing doesn't even look like hair extensions, and these extensions are clipping extensions from BetterLength. I already made a whole video where I showed you guys how I prep this extension. The link to that video is going to be in the description box and up here, so you want to definitely check that video out after watching this video. If you do not know me before, if you are just meeting me for the first time with this hairstyle, you would definitely think that this is my hair. You would definitely think that this is my natural hair, but it is not my natural hair. This extension looks exactly like my natural hair in color and in texture. I already talked about all that details in my previous video, so that is what this video is going to be all about. If you're interested in that, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Okay, so guys, this was what my hair looked like before the clipping extensions. My hair looked pretty short hair, but my hair is actually longer than this. You know how fussy hair can shrink up so well? Exactly, that was the situation of my hair right here. So the first thing I did was to part my hair into two different sections, some to the front while some to the back, just as you are seeing it right now. And I struggled to make the part to be as neat because, you know, that part was going to be visible, you know, so I tried to make sure that that part was as neat as possible. All right. Okay, so now that we have a fair part, I mean the pattern is not 100% perfect, but it's still fair enough. We can manage it. So I just made sure that I put the front part into like a small bun, small ponytail, something like that, just to keep it away so it doesn't interfere with what I want to do with the back section. Okay, so for the back section, I'm just leaving a layer of hair out, just as you are seeing it right now, because I'm going to be using that layer to cover up the extension at the back. Okay, so the part of my hair that I want to hide, I'm just going to put it into a low ponytail or a low bun, whatever you might call it. Okay, and then I try to like braid the ends of my hair, braid it into a very small ponytail, yes, so that I can attach some clipping extensions on it. Okay. Okay, so just like I said earlier, the clipping extensions that I used are from BetterLength hair, and these particular clipping extensions are the 4B4C clipping extensions in 20 inches, and they come in different length of wefts, if that makes sense. We have a shorter weft and we also have longer wefts in the same bundle. Okay, so I just attached the shorter weft just at the base of my hair, like around the nape of my hair, around my nape, and I just continued attaching the clippings just to cover that whole part of my hair. All right. Attaching the clippings are actually really easy. This was my second time of attaching any clipping extensions to my hair. The first time was also with BetterLength clipping extensions, and it was just my previous video. Okay, so it's actually really easy, and if you want to get yours, you can use the link in my description box, and you can also use my code stylehairven to get some money off when you want to place your order. Okay, so the next thing that I did was to spray some leave-in conditioner all over the clipping extensions, just to moisturize it, just to fluff it out further, if that makes sense, just to make everything soft basically. Okay, so I went ahead to apply some leave-in conditioner all over my own hair, because I'm just going to be using my own hair to cover the tracks of the clipping extensions, if that makes sense, so everything can blend really well. All right, so that was what I did, just to moisturize my hair further and just to make everything blend really well. All right, so I'm going to move to the front section now, but before I move to the front section, I made sure that I packed the one at the back so that it doesn't interfere with the front section again, so I can have a lot of space to work with the front section. But the thing is, this here is a lot. This here is actually a lot, so it gave me a lot of don't let me say a lot, but it gave me quite a tough time in, you know, packing it and doing some other things. Okay, so if you are not used to long hair, you might want to go for a shorter length. Okay, So yeah, for the front section, I basically just put it up just as we are seeing it right now, and then I just used hair tie to pack it up, to hold it in place, to put it in place. Yeah. I initially didn't want to apply gel for this particular hairstyle, but along the line, I thought I needed to, apply some gel just to slick down the ponytail, just to make my edges look good. And you know how fussy hair can be; it can get very rough easily. And I wanted to rock this hairstyle for at least 1 week. So I decided to apply some gel all over my edges, my ponytail, like the particular hair at the front, just to make it look good and to slick it down as much as possible so that it can last me for a week. Okay, so I went ahead to use my rat tail comb to work the gel into my hair properly. I took down the bun and then I repacked it again, because now that there is gel in it, I just want to make sure that everything is held really tightly. Okay, and then I just use the hair tie to just put my hair into a small bun, just as you can see right now. Okay, so I went ahead and started attaching the clipping extensions around my bun. It's so easy. Like, this particular hairstyle can be achieved by a beginner. I mean, you don't need to be a professional hairstylist to achieve this hairstyle. Okay, so I just went ahead and applied this and attached the second clipping extension. I used just 2 clipping extensions for the front section, for for the bun. Okay, and I wrapped it around the bun basically. Okay, so after attaching the clipping extensions, I just started wrapping the clipping extensions around my bun to form a bigger bun, if that makes sense. And then I used bobby pins to pin it down to secure it properly, and I used quite a number of bobby pins for the front section, just to make sure that the bun is perfect and secured. There is no particular way, there's no particular direction of wrapping the bun. Just wrap it in the best possible way that you can if you are trying to achieve this hairstyle. Okay, so that was what I did, and that was this for the front section. Basically, there is nothing so special. There's nothing so special for the back section. I didn't want to leave it just like that. So I decided to pack it into a low ponytail. That way my hair blends so seamlessly with it, with the extension. And if you saw me for the first time when I rocked this hairstyle, you would have actually thought that this was my natural hair. That was how perfect my hair blended with this extension. So if you like this hairstyle and you would love to recreate it, let me know in the comment section, and I would really love to hear your thoughts. And again, if you are interested in these clipping extensions from BetterLength, you can use the link in my description box, and you can also use my code stylehairven for some money off when you want to check out. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I look forward to your recreations. Tag me on Instagram and I would love to see it. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.